In this video, I will review a video titled Introduction to Cost Behavior, Fixed, Mixed, and Variable Cost. Managers understand cost behavior, how cost change as volume change, and then we will start by considering three of the most common types of cost behavior: variable cost, fixed cost, and mixed cost, so that cost reacts to change in the level of business activity. Total variable cost change when activity changes, and total fixed cost remain unchanged when total activity change. Where variable costs are based on how many gigs are actually seen. Typical variable costs in an industry might include the direct labor, material, factory utilities, sales commission, and shipping costs. So this will be affected by the activity level of typical fixed costs, including real estate tax, insurance, supervisor salaries, depreciation, and advertising. This will remain regardless of activity level. So here a nice graph summarizing our chart as the level of activity management activity change, but variable cost per unit remain the same over a wide range of unit decrease as the level of activity increase, so that variable costs are insured for each unit volume. As a result, total variable cost change in proportion to change in volume. Examples like free breakfast in a hotel, which will vary with respect to the number of goods of toiletries for hotel, which also vary depending on how many people are staying at the hotel that night, or bed linen in the hospital, which will vary depending on how many patients they have. So although the total variable cost change in direct proportion to the change in the volume of variable cost per unit of activity, it remains constant. It is called the slope of the variable cost line, and the graph of total variable cost always starts from the origin. The business is locked into this cost due to previous management decisions, so they may have a contract with the company that can afford, for example, a fixed fee that is committed, while along term lease you can change those costs in a short time. However, business also incurring something called discretionary costs, like unforeseen costs, charitable contribution. These are things that are the result of annual management decision of the company has more control over the discretionary fixed costs, as the company can adjust them needed in the short term. Next is mixed cost. Mixed costs have variable and fixed cost component, so that mixed costs are costs that change in total but are not directly proportional of to change in the total volume of mixed costs. Increase the volume increase because the variable component in the total mixed cost can be expressed as a combination of the variable cost, equation, and fixed cost. So again, remember we have E here, which will be our total mixed cost. P is variable cost component, and then F is fixed cost for a certain team. Now X will be activity volume. You can see here. So y equals x plus or f also has something called relevant ranges that are worth maintaining. So managers need to keep their relevant range in mind when predicting total cost so that the relevant range are volume bands or total cost remain constant at a given level and variable cost per unit remain constant at a certain level. Certain change in overall cost behavior indicate that change remain constant to certain level. Certain overall cost behavior that to different relevant range. So the concept of relevant range is important because manager can predict cost accurately only if they use cost information for the appropriate relevant range. For example, say a company typically sell between 1,000 and 3,000 units of a product per month because this is their normal sales range. We can make reasonable, accurate assumption about their cost if they sell outside the relevant range. Let's say 6,000 units in a month. Companies have to change the way they predict cost in the initially developed cost equation will no longer provide cost estimates. So from the economic perspective, the relationship between total cost and volume of activity is curvilinear. From the accountant perspective, the relationship between the cost the volume of activity is a straight line that will be a straight line unit variable cost constant. So when we check the behavior of variable cost in relevant range, even though we have cost because in relevant range in it will at basically straight that that's the review then I can convey. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.